Welcome back to another exciting episode. If you're new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our informative tech content. Today, we're revealing 10 hidden Chat GPT features that will truly benefit young professionals like you. Feature number 1. Chat GPT can help you draft professional emails and messages in no time. With just a few keywords or a brief outline, Chat GPT can generate a well-written formal email, making your life easier and saving you time. You'll never have to worry about writer's block again. Feature number 2 is a game changer for busy young professionals. Chat GPT can efficiently summarize your lengthy meeting notes, giving you a concise and clear overview of the key points. No more sifting through pages of notes. Chat GPT has got you covered. Number 3 on our list is daily task prioritization. Input your list of tasks, and Chat GPT will help you prioritize them based on urgency, importance, or any other criteria you prefer. It's like having your own personal assistant. Feature number 4 is perfect for our globalized world. Chat GPT can help you communicate in multiple languages. Just input your text, and it'll translate it into your desired language. And at number 5 is social media content generation. Struggling to come up with engaging posts for your professional social media channels? Chat GPT can help by generating creative content ideas and even writing the copy for you. Feature number 6 is all about learning and development. Chat GPT can be your go-to resource for quick explanations on a wide range of topics, helping you stay informed and knowledgeable in your field. Number 7 on our list, elevator pitch creation. Whether you're pitching a project or promoting yourself, Chat GPT can help you craft a compelling elevator pitch that will leave a lasting impression. 8th on our list is brainstorming ideas. Chat GPT can generate fresh ideas for projects, marketing campaigns, and more. Just give it a starting point and watch the magic happen. Feature number 9 is a lifesaver for job seekers. Chat GPT can review your resume and cover letter, offering suggestions to improve them and increase your chances of landing that dream job. Last but not least, number 10, mock interviews. Chat GPT can simulate interview questions and provide feedback on your answers. Practice makes perfect, and with Chat GPT, you'll be ready to ace your next job interview. And there you have it, 10 hidden Chat GPT features that can help young professionals work smarter, not harder. By leveraging these powerful features, you'll be able to stay ahead of the curve and boost your productivity like never before. Imagine the potential impact on your career when you have an AI-powered tool like Chat GPT to assist you in your day-to-day tasks. Now that you're equipped with these valuable insights, we encourage you to give Chat GPT a try and explore its full potential. Feel free to leave a comment below, sharing your experiences with these features or any other creative ways you've found to use Chat GPT to your advantage. We'd love to hear your stories. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends and colleagues who could benefit from these hidden features as well. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us bring you more insightful and actionable tech content.